Whenever you're making breakfast, you're always in a rush because maybe you're going to school or work. So in this recipe, I'll be showing you a very simple and easy breakfast or lunch recipe which you can whip up within 20 minutes, and it's going to save you lots of time. Also, the recipe is perfect for post-workouts because it's loaded with lots of proteins which you need to build some muscles, and also we have a little bit of carbs and veggies which complete the dish. We are going to start off by frying our potatoes. So you'll peel 3 to 4 medium potatoes and cut into cubes. This is a recipe for around 2 people. And because it's going to be super fast, the potatoes are going to cook very fast or quick. So you're going to place a pan over medium flame and wait for around 30 seconds so that the cooking oil can get ready to fry potatoes. You're going to drop in 1 piece of potato to check if the cooking oil is ready. Once the potato floats, the oil is ready. So I'm going to carefully transfer in the rest of the potatoes. Use your skimmer and toss the potatoes. Avoid overcrowding because the temperature of the oil is going to drop and you don't want some soggy potatoes. If you have an air fryer, you can throw in the potatoes and cook for around 10 to 15 minutes because the potatoes are small. So next, I'm going to pick a pan for making my scrambled eggs. Place over medium flame. Add in a tablespoon of cooking oil. Spread the oil. Wait for around 20 seconds so that the cooking oil can get ready. Add in your onions. Saute the onions for around a minute until soft. I'm going to add in a tiny pinch of salt, which is going to help the onions to soften up very fast. When the onions are ready, I'm going to add in 2 medium tomatoes. Then I'm going to cook for around a minute or until the tomatoes are cooked down. Add in some black pepper and salt. You can add in a splash of water if you notice that the tomatoes are not cooking perfectly, and then you're going to wait for everything to cook. This is how my potatoes are looking after 2 minutes, and they're starting to crispen up. So I'm going to wait for another 1 to 2 minutes. Back to my tomatoes, which are cooking perfectly. I'm going to use the back of my spatula and mush down the tomatoes. And once your tomatoes are ready, you're going to crack in your eggs. Use my spatula and smash the yolks. Reduce the flames to low, and then you're going to scramble the eggs as they're cooking. As you're cooking your scrambled eggs, watch over your potatoes. Yes, we are getting that crispy edge that we're looking for. So I'm going to fry for another 30 seconds to a minute. We don't want the potatoes to be too dark. This is how my scrambled eggs are looking. So you're going to cook your eggs to your own preference. If you love your eggs at this point, you're going to put out the flames. And if you love your eggs well cooked, you're going to cook for a further 1 minute. When your potatoes are ready, you're going to transfer to your plate lined with kitchen paper towel to drain off the excess oil, and they're looking so gorgeous. Then into the same cooking oil, I'm going to drop in 2 sausages. Fry your sausages for around 1 to 2 minutes or until they have a nice golden brown color, and also reduce the flames to low so that they can cook on the inside. This is how my scrambled eggs are looking after around a minute, and they are well cooked. So I'm going to add in coriander leaves. You can also add in parsley. Stir in. Put out the flames. Ready to serve. So I'm going to add in some potatoes. Add in your sausages, then you're going to top up with some fresh tomatoes, salad. My potatoes are crispy, well seasoned because I added in a little bit of salt while plating, and also the scrambled eggs are looking so good and delicious. I love that I added in some tomatoes and onions, which makes the dish so good and delicious. Also, we have some salsa and some avocado, which is my favorite, together with sausages, which are going to complete this dish by adding in lots of protein. So this is a recipe worth trying because it has been around 20 minutes of cooking everything, and everything has turned out perfect. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try and it will turn out delicious.